All right, let's break down the components of a worksheet in Google Sheets. Let's take a look at a few things. First of all, we have the formula bar that pops up right here. That's this little FX and this long white strip that's after it. Now, the formula bar is going to show me the actual contents of a cell, and it's also going to show me a formula. So if I'm just looking at these values, I can't tell where there is a formula and where there isn't. However, when I click on some of these, I can see, oh, this is being generated through a formula. All right, so that's pretty cool. Also, if there were formatting in place, just very quickly, let's say we had some formatting here, all right? I'm not going to see the actual dollar sign or anything like that happening up here in the formula bar. So this shows me the actual content versus what is being displayed inside of the sheet, okay? Very good. Now, a sheet is made up of three things. First thing that we have are columns. Columns are vertical and they're given letter designations from A uh, all the way over here to Z. We can, of course, come in here and we can choose to add other columns to the right or the left. You'll learn how to do that later on. That will get you into double A, B, A, C, and all that until you get to the end. We, of course, have rows, which are horizontal and are given numbers, 1 all the way down to 1,000. Could add more rows down there if we wanted to as well. We have scroll bars here. I can scroll left to right, up and down. Okay. See options here for adding a bunch more rows there as well. All right, so that is cool. Of course, inside of the sheet itself, each interaction point or intersecting point rather of column and row is a cell. So you notice inside of these formulas it's saying stuff like G12 and G4 and all that. What does that mean? Well, that means the intersecting point of column G and row 5 or G and row 4. If I click here, I'm now in cell G18. You can see it highlight the column letter and the row number for you here as well to give you a little bit of help of knowing what cell you're in exactly. Okay. And when you learn how to do formulas, you'll learn you can just click on the cell. You don't have to memorize the cell reference, which is what that's called, by the way. The name of the cell is called a cell reference. You don't have to memorize that. You can click on it. But if we just need to know to be able to navigate or choose something, we look at the intersecting point of the column and the row. Now down on the bottom here, I have the ability to add in a new sheet. So I can click Add Sheet, adds in a new worksheet, right? So I'll see all of my sheets listed right down here. I can also use this little All Sheets button to quickly jump to a particular sheet. So if I have a lot of worksheets here and I can't see them all, I can use that to help me get to where I want to get to. Okay. All right, so those are the components that make up a worksheet.